Assalamualaikum, my name is Hamiza Mesra and my teammate is Isabel. So the title that I'm going to present is Shut-off Mechanism with LPG MQ2 Sensor. For the introduction, liquefied petroleum gas is widely used in domestic and commercial sector, particularly for cooking, heating and industrial applications. LPG is a highly flammable substance that poses serious safety risks if not handled properly. One of the commonly used gas sensors is the MQ2 sensor, which is capable of detecting LPG, methane, smoke and other combustible gas in the air. This project aims to develop a safety system by integrating an MQ2 sensor with a solenoid valve. The system is designed to automatically detect the presence of LPG gas in the environment and trigger immediate actions. Problem statement. The widespread use of LPG in the domestic and commercial sector has the potential to cause fire, explosion or health risks due to gas leaks. Even though gas leaks accidents are uncommon, they are catastrophic and cause significant harm to both people and property. A flammable mixture of hydrocarbons known as liquefied petroleum gas, which is LPG, is used as fuel for vehicles, culinary utensils including stoves and heating appliances. Most home stoves use this gas for cooking purpose. The LPG, like other energy sources, can be hazardous if handled incorrectly, which could result in fires and gas poisoning if too much of the gas is inhaled. Over the years, explosions from gas leaks at home have caused many injuries and fatalities in Malaysia. Objective of this project is 1. To design a reliable system using the MQ2 and MQ5 sensor to detect gas. Number 2 is to build a mechanism consists of controller that will cut off the gas supply. Project scope for this project is to using the MQ2 sensor to detect LPG gas. This also can be used in homes, kitchens and industrial areas to ensure safety from gas leaks. We're designing a system that includes hardware, the sensor, valve and controller and device alert SMS. The challenges that we might face when we're designing this project is the MQ2 sensor needs to be properly calibrated for accurate readings, and the sensor may give false readings due to other gases in the air. Literature review. MQ2 is a popular gas sensor used for detecting LPG, methane and other gases. Multiple studies show the effectiveness of MQ2 in real-time gas detection. Similar projects also have used the MQ2 sensor to create gas leak alarm system and automated shut-off mechanism. Challenges in gas detection is calibration and environmental factors such as temperature and humidity. It's hard to keep the sensor accurate because things like temperature and humidity can affect how they work. In recent innovations, using IoT for monitoring and control, this means using device to receive an alert notification if any gas is detected. They also using machine learning to improve gas detection. Machine learning helps improve the system by teaching it to recognize and detect any problems, making the gas detection smarter and more accurate.
Fourth is recent innovation. Using IoT for monitoring and control. This means using device to receive and alert notifications if any gases detected. Using machine learning to improve gas detection. Machine learning helps improve the system by teaching it to recognize and detect any problems, making the gas detections smarter and more accurate. For methodology, how we ended up in these innovations is we decide and choose to cooperate with something that happens every day around us. So we start with design process and then design selections, and we then go through component selection such as MQ2 and MQ5 that's suitable for the innovation, and then we continue with fabrication process. And then design and programming test. If the design and programming test doesn't work, we have to modifications and republication process. And if it works, we have to continue with data analysis and conclusions, so we will get the result at the end. Project expectation. First, we expect a fully functioning system that can detect LPG leaks and automatically turn off the hose to prevent danger. Second, we expect the system send immediate warning to SMS if there were any gas leaks detected. And third, we expect to enhance safety in residential and industrial environment. And fourth is we expect the project will minimizations of fire hazard and health risks associated with LPG leaks.